Hello guys.
This is my school's zoo. It has a scarecrow.
What is this?
What is a scarecrow? But it's not that scary for birds.
Okay.
This
What is that?
the door to go inside.
Okay.
And this is another.
What is this?
This is a fruit.
Which fruit? Tangerine?
Yes.
Okay.
It's a fruit. And even this is the animals. This is the dog cage.
Is it friendly with you?
Yes, it's cute.
Oh, it's cute.
And the other one is the duck's cage. No, it's a chicken. And this is a chicken. This is the chicken in the duck's
What?
cage.
I think it is a dog.
The chicken. This is the duck's cage.
Okay.
And this is the bird's cage.
Bird.
Look how cute is the bird.
Yes,
And
yes.
this is the baby bird.
Oh, what is that? It's a bunny.
It's the bunny's cage and the bird's cage. And this is the turkey's cage. This is where the turkey lives.
Okay.
And as you know, this
What is that?
is my favorite animal.
Wow, they are beautiful. How about giant animals?
The giant animals out there. I'll push it. There's the horse right here. But I'll show you where's the horse comes. And this is where I studied. With my teacher.
Where is the weigh-in?
And this is where they teach us how to ride a horse.
Okay.
And this is
So, can you show me where the weigh-in is?
the house full of plants that we can study and how we prefer to life.
Is there any restaurant over here?
Yes, there is. Yes, there is.
Can you show me?
Yes.
Okay.
My school. I will just show you this. This is the way that I come to my school.
Okay.
And the name is Doğu Primary School.
Doğa Primary School.
And they also call it
Do you like this school? Do you like it?
and they also call it Doğu College School.
Okay.
This is where the horse is.
But I can't see any horse.
There is that home that was there. We can see horses. We go closer and find out. Look, there's a door right there, but it's locked. And the horse was still locked. And was in.
I think they are sleeping. Yeah?
I don't think so. These are ones that they come out. And they also there's the back of one horse. See the horse?
I can't see any horse.
That's the back. In the middle door, there's the back of the horse.
Oh, maybe. Okay.
Come on, there, he'll come to the space out.
Is there any traffic area in this school?
Yes, right here.
Oh, can you show me that area?
It's right here. See, it's right here. We are here under them.
Okay.
And we'll see a horse.
No, I'm talking about traffic signs.
Traffic signs, there's a lot of traffic signs here. Closer, there's lots.
Okay.
And when you come here, you can see the horse. You see? You can see the horse from here. You can see the horse head.
Yes, you are right. Okay.
And you can see the horse. And I'm going to show the one so I don't know how many traffic lights there are, but there's so many.
Okay.
Come, there's so many. There's so many. That's the kindergarten of the school.
Where is the kindergarten?
Over there.
Over there.
How many traffic signs?
No, I can't see.
Look, 1, 2, 3,
Okay,
4,
okay,
5.
let's go inside.
Okay.
Is it allowed?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Today is off. Of course allowed.
Okay.
School ended. And then we don't have any school. That's why we come here.
Okay. What is this?
A traffic sign of stop.
Stop?
And then what is this one? A traffic sign of stop. Another traffic sign.
But it's not a stop sign.
What's this one? Is a traffic sign.
It's a triangle shape sign.
It's another. It is the sign of the traffic sign, and that's the sign of the sign of danger. When they put here, when it says when they do when something's broken, they put a sign here like this.
Okay. Now,
And this is a traffic sign too. And this
Good.
is a traffic sign. It shows
what
you-
does it mean?
It shows you to go this way.
Just this way?
Yeah, and that's traffic sign means that there is 4 ways: back, close, and also left and right.
Okay. What about this? What does it mean? This sign.
It means don't turn right.
Why?
Don't go straight, but don't turn left because well, it will be dangerous.
Okay, it's a little bit dangerous.
And another one.
Okay. Now, can we go to the playground?
But this one says don't turn left.
Don't turn left. Okay. Wait a minute.
This sign says turn right. It says you can't.
What does it mean?
This is a well right here. You should turn around and go the way that you do.
Okay.
Right here, and the statue up here, and the car was right here. They put a sign over here. That's cool.
Okay. Now let's go to the playground.
That's allowed.
Which door? Okay.
This is almost the last day because this is almost the last day of school because I'm 14 days off. Because it's only 2 weeks I'm off. 102 days of school. And this is the place that this is the part where I play at the Wednesdays.
Good. Is it closed? Can you open that or not? No, it's closed. It seems that it is closed. Yeah?
I think I don't think it's
Let me check.
look, it's up on the ground.
Okay, okay. Let's find another way in.
I know what another way it is. Just I know.
It is closed.
I know another way in, but it's going to be a bit long.
Let's ignore this playground and let's find another way in inside your school. Okay?
This way.
Yes, this is good way in. Yellow flower is awesome. Yes, please. This way. Okay. Aras, how about what? Gym. What do you do here?
Practice.
Okay.
Gymnastics at school.
Just gymnastics. Okay. Guys, let's go out and show me your classes and restaurant. Okay. At first, please tell me what this statue is, or else. That statue.
A statue of a man that's looking for the coaches. Look, this is the restaurant.
Okay. Is this your restaurant? But it is closed. Okay. Aras, where is your classroom? Aran, how about you? Where is your classroom? Okay. So, please stand over there and tell me what that statue is. It's bigger than me, yeah. Who is he?
So his name's Uncle. So old. He's dead now. And he doesn't. He ain't sick. But he is a man that does exist, and he's dead now.
Why?
Because he was a long time ago. He's very old.
Okay.
100 years ago.
100 years ago. Aras, can you read these words? Okay, thank you. How about that chess stuff?
When people keep floating, and then and the king is lost now, and then the king of the black is lost because they're getting lost now, and that might get lost with them. I'm gonna get them with the ship. That's the question to see the.
Oh, we finally find a way in to this playground. Is this okay? Now, please pick your carne.
Now we go to one side.
Aras, what's your stuff? Could you please tell me what is that in your hand? What does carne mean? Aras, do you know what does carne mean?
No, but I know what it is. It means that people get their homework in it for when the class is done for 2 weeks.
Okay. Is this your final report?
Get peoples of chocolate. That's not my final report. There's one more report. And they even give people chocolate too, see? And when my friend gets B in the next report.
Okay.
And one of
Okay.
them gets F in the next three.
Guys, it's time to.
Say bye-bye.
Okay, but before saying bye bye,
And when you like it, when you love it, subscribe. If you like this channel, subscribe so you can't miss any more.
thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.